check out my non-alcoholic whiskey sour recipe. Keep watching. Let's talk drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a non-alcoholic version of a whiskey sour. Whiskey sour is such a popular cocktail, and it's really nice that we can also offer a non-alcoholic version. So really simple recipe. And the first thing that we're going to use is 60 mils or 2 ounces of the Lyres American malt, which is a non-alcoholic bourbon, I guess, or American whiskey. $60 mils or 2 ounces. Next up, we're going to use 30 mils or 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Make sure that it is freshly squeezed. We squeeze it and put it into the bottle. It's a lot easier. Then 15 mils, half an ounce of sugar syrup. Then we have 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of egg white or Aqua faba. I'm using Aqua faba at the moment. Some ice. And give it a really good shake. Okay, so with a lot of sours, whiskey sours and so forth, a lot of times we'll dry shake, where we shake it first before adding the ice. I'm going to do a reverse dry shake today just to show you. So all that we do now is pour the cocktail into another shaker. Whack on the lid. Give it a really good shake. Just emulsifying the egg white. Some ice into my double rocks glass, and then just pouring it in. Perfect. Got that really nice head on top. Just a lemon, the maraschino cherry as your garnish, and that is a non-alcoholic whiskey sour. Cheers, let's give it a try. Ooh. That's really good. That American malt is definitely coming through. I don't get the burn that I get from if I was using the real whiskey, but the flavour is definitely there. The lemon, the sugar syrup, it's balanced really, really well. How could I improve that? You could possibly use, Lyres have also got an amaretti, which is an amaretto. We're just waiting on stock to come today, otherwise I would have used that. Adding a little bit of almond flavour to it as well is fantastic, but that's a great whiskey sour, whether you're pregnant, abstaining, just not drinking anymore. It's just a really good way for you to get into the feel of things if you're at a bar or at a party with friends. Guys, check it out. The Lyres is fantastic. I'm not sponsored by them, but we do use a lot of it here at the 18th Amendment bars. Cheers, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.